Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a program using PERL as our programming language to ask the user to give a year, and then our program will determine whether the given year by the user is leap year or not. Before, so before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. We are here on the text editor. So the first thing that I will do is to write the comment sharp leap year.pl. Let us save our work first. The folder is PERL leap underscore year.pl. Click the save button. Author that's me, Jake Rodriguez Pomparada. Date today is October 30. This day 9:07 a.m. Next we have here two new line print. The leap year checker in PERL. Print enter year jump $year equals less than equal less than greater than semicolon print we have here already the this portion will accept a value so that will be stored in our $year using the command jump. So you have here if open parenthesis to parenthesis 0 equals $year modulus, the percent is modulus 4, and logical operator open parenthesis 0 not equal to $year modulus 100 or open parenthesis 0 equals $year modulus 400. This is the formula to save to solve the leap year. We have here print slash t, the given year is a leap year. Else, if it is not a leap year, is not horizontal backslash t and our program print new line. Okay, so we have already done automatic save. Now here, let us discuss now what the things that we have done already. So this portion is the comment of our program, title of our program, leap year checker in PERL. This portion of our code will ask the year from the user, and in this conditional statement here will check if the given year is a leap year or not. If it is true, it will display this message: the given year is a leap year. Let's say for example year 2000, so the given year 2000 is a leap year. Else it is false, the given year is not a leap year. Example of a year that is not a leap year is 2019. It's not a leap year. End of the program. That tells that the user is already, that the program is already done and terminated. So let us check our work. We go to terminal, PERL leap year .pl. We press the enter key, give the year 2019. 2019 is not a leap year. No, I would like to fix this portion. Backslash t horizontal tab. Try again. We run the program again. 2020 leap year checker in PERL, enter year 2020 is a leap year. The given year, okay, 2020 is a leap year. Let us improve our code. Okay, run again. 2004 enter year, leap year checker in PERL, enter year 2004. The given year 2004 is a leap year. End of program. Let us run again. 2009 leap year checker in PERL, enter year 2009. The given year 2009 is not a leap year. End of program. So we have already fixed any bugs in our program, test, and then we able to verify that the program is running correctly already. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomporada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Says thank you. Bye bye for now.